everyone, welcome back to this week's learning. I hope you've had a lovely weekend. We're going to do some phonics this morning. We're going to start by practicing some of our sounds. So go and get yourself a piece of paper and a pen and come back and join us. Right, let's see. Can you practice writing the letter A? Well done, let's have a peek. A. Well done. Can you practice writing K, a curly K? Let's have a look. Well done. Can you do a D, D, D? Well done. Remember that one starts in the middle. We go round, up, up, down, flick. Well done. What about an E? Can you do an E? Another one that starts in the middle, up, over and round. Next we're going to do G. Have a go. Ooh, that's a G for go, like our tricky word last week. Do you remember? G. Can you do it? Have a look. It should look like this. We go round, up, down, down, tail. That's our G. Can we do... Oh, our sound from last week. So start at the top, down, up and over. Well done. I. Can you do an I for Inky Mouse? Well done. Don't forget your dot on the top. I. Can you do a k, 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 a kicking k, k, k? Well done. So start at the top, down, up, kick to the sky, kick to the floor. Well done. What about for mummy? Let's have a look. Well done. What about Let's have a look. Well done. What about an ah? It's an easy peasy one. Well done. Ah. What about, can you do a p, p, p? Down, up and round. Well done, everyone. Let's try S. Like a snake. S. Can you try t, t, t? Well done. T. Can you try oh? And now I'd like you to try writing the digraph. K, k, k. So remember, 2 letters, 1 sound. Okay, can you remember which 2 letters and which way round they go? So there should be a curly cut first and a kicking cut next. 2 letters, 1 sound. Well done, everybody. Okay, now we're going to see if we can practice reading some words with our sound buttons to wake up our brains. Let's have a little look. So, here are my words for this week. Okay, what's this one? Man. My dad is a man. Next one. Dig. Dig. I can dig in my garden. Next one. Pig. Pig. Well done. Good reading. Now, what did you notice about dig and pig? Look at the endings of those 2 words. What do you notice? Dig, pig. They rhyme. Well done. They've both got an ig sound at the end. Dig, pig. Can you think of anything else that rhymes with them? Dig, pig, fig. Well done. Lots of rhyming words. Let's see. Next one. Oh, different sound at the end this time. Tap, tap, tap. Well done. Good reading. Ap, ap, map. I spot something there too. Can you spot something? Tap, map. What do you notice about those as well? They rhyme, you're right. Tap, map. Can you think of anything else? What rhymes with tap and map? Rap. Well done. Tap, map, rap. And our last one. Pat, pat. I can pat my head. Can you pat your head? Well done, everyone. Good reading. Now we're going to have a little look in my big book for our new sound today. We're going to learn another letter. Let me find it in my giant book. Are we ready? Here it is. Let's have a look at this page. Do you know this letter? I'll show you this side as well. Well done. This letter is a B. Here's the capital and here's the lowercase. So we've got a B. B says B. Can you say it? B says B. Fantastic. So our letter this week is B. So should we listen to our little story? It goes like this. I'll turn it around this way because you need to say this little boy and this little boy. What are they doing? The children have gone to the park to play ball. As they hit the ball with the bat, they make a B sound. So, to make our B sound, we need to get our hands like we've got a bat and we need to say B, B, like you're hitting the ball. Are you ready? B, B. Well done. Your turn. Have a go. Fantastic. Well done. So our sound for this week is B. Should we see if we can practice writing it? Here it is up here. So we start at the top, we go down and round. Okay, now we must remember when we're doing B, we don't do the circle and add a stick. Okay, you start at the top and you do it all in one movement. We go down, up and round. Well done. B, B, B. Fantastic. Now, let's see if we can read this word down here. B, at. B, at, bat. Fantastic. Well done, everybody. Can you see anything else in here that begins with a B? Oh, I can see something. Look, something with the bats. You're right. It's a ball. Bat and ball. And I've got another one. What are they sat in? The bat and ball are in a... What's this? A box. Can you sound box out? B-ox. Box. It's a box. And what is this up here? Can you see if I move it a bit closer? Sometimes you see those in the park. It's called a bandstand. A bandstand is where a group of people in a band play musical instruments. So it's a bandstand. Well done, everyone. Oh, now let's have a look on this side because I found some more B words over here. Something pecking down here. Bird. And they're eating bread. Well done. What's this over here? Another B for bike. Well done, everybody. And in her bike, she's got some bottles. Well done. And what's this little girl doing up here? Look, she's blowing bubbles. And I can see more. There's so many words. What's this up here going over the little lake, the little stream? It's a bridge. Well done. So many but words on our picture. Now I'm going to put that big book down. Oh, big book. Both of my words began with a B. Big book. Well done. Right, now I've got my little flashcard and on it is another but word. What is this? You're right, it's a bus. Can you sound bus out? Get your robot arms ready. Let's sound out bus. B-O-S. B-O-S. Bus. Well done. It's a bus. Do you think you could have a go at writing that word down? Whilst I get my board ready, see if you can write it before I can. What are those sounds again? Can you remember? B, O, S. See if you can write them down. If you've written them, can you add sound buttons? How many sounds are in that word? Well done, there are 3, you're right. Should we have a look? Here's the word, so you can have a peek. Does yours look the same as this? B, O, S. B, O, S. Bus. Here is our bus. Well done, everyone. Now, we're going to have one last go at writing with the letter B. And I found another one of the characters that you might see on the television or in the films, and it is B. Can you think who it might be? It begins with a B, and the song goes like this. Da 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 da. Who do you think it is? It's, are you ready? Batman! Well done. It's Batman. Here he is. And Batman, what's he got? Batman has got a mask on his face, hasn't he? So we're going to write a little sentence about that. We're going to say, Batman has a mask. Can you say it? Batman has a mask. So remember, when we're writing a sentence, we always say it 5 times because it helps us to remember. Are we ready? Batman has a mask. 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 Well done. So I'm going to get my board. Now, I will upload that onto our school website so you can print that out, okay? And you can have a go at writing it there, or you can write it on your paper now whilst we're doing it, and we can do it all together. So we're going to start by writing Batman. Now, we always need to remember that our sentence starts with a, can you remember? A capital letter. Well done. So we need to start with a capital letter. And we always end our sentence with a full stop. Well done. So we need to remember capital letter and full stop. In between all our words, we're going to use our finger to make a finger space, just like this. Well done. So our sentence was, Batman has a mask. Okay, let's go. So, Batman. Now, it's a bit of a long word, so we're going to split it up. So, we're going to write bat first, okay? Don't forget our capital letter. B. B. Bat. B. A. B. A. T. Well done. Bat. Now, the next part of the word is man, okay? How do we spell man? Man. Bat, man. So we need man. Bat, man. Batman. Batman has. How do we spell has? Has. Well done. Now, have I got room to write it here? No. So I need to make sure I go on to my next line. Okay, how do we spell has? Ah. Has. Batman has. What was our next word? Batman has. Ah, well done. Batman has a. And what was my last word? Batman has a mask. Well done. So can we sound out mask? A, sk, mask. Are we ready? A. Oh, I've run out of space a little bit there. Maybe I should have gone on to my next line. In fact, I'm not happy with that, so I'm going to rub that out. Sometimes we make a little mistake. That's okay if you make a mistake. Okay, I'm going to write it down here. Can you help me with those sounds again? A. Mask. Batman has a mask. Can you read it? Well done. Can you spot, is my sentence okay? Has it got a capital letter? Yes, there's my capital B. Okay, let's see. Has it got finger spaces? Oh yes, I've left all my finger spaces between my words. Is there anything that it's missing? You're right, I nearly missed out my full stop. Let me add it in at the end. Well done. Let's read it one more time. Batman has a mask. So here we go. I'm going to put Batman just up here. Batman has a mask. Excellent work, boys and girls. Now, when you finish doing that, I've got a challenge for you. I want you to see if you can write Batman has a mask, and then you can start a new sentence, and this is your challenge. Your challenge is to have a go at writing it is black. Okay? Batman has a mask. It is black. Okay? Let's have a look at his picture. Here he is with his black mask on. So we're going to write Batman has a mask. It is black. Okay, that's your challenge. So I can't wait to see all your sentences that you're writing. So well done. Good work for today. Keep it up, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.